Hey everyone, Frank G here from Jantek Windows. Today we're going to be talking about just how much do the windows in your building or your home impact your energy consumption. One of the big issues we all know today is saving energy. Windows directly impact heating, cooling, and lighting. The amount of light through a window impacts the amount of light in a space, interior space. The amount of insulation value of a window is going to affect how much a window retain HVAC cooling or HVAC heating. US EPA a number of years ago determined that in the United States, the percentages of consumption in any building on average that are impacted by the windows came out, again, heating, ventilation, lighting, and cooling, came out to impact 58% of the energy in the building. What does that translate into on a national level? And I was shocked when I saw this study years ago. 14% of all the energy used in the United States is impacted by windows. So as you're considering a project to replace your windows and doors, go to school, understand what it is, what window products are the best for conserving energy. At Jantek, we design and build or manufacture and install all of our own products because they're the kind of windows we want. We want the best. We want to install the best. So hopefully this video has helped you understand some of the questions you've had about energy consumption and how windows affect the energy consumption in your building or your home. I'm Frank G from Jantek Windows, and remember, save energy, capture comfort.